The overwhelming majority of homeowners in San Diego could be saving considerable money by going solar, but they aren't. Even with the recent rate increases that make it even more painful, most people will still choose to buy expensive power from the utility company. Why? That's why Brian Milholland from SunPowered by Milholland is with us today. And people are not choosing to go solar when they really should be. I think one of the big reasons is people are confused by all the advertising that's out there.
Oh, absolutely. It's very competitive in San Diego for companies that are trying to solicit solar.
And there's a lot of mixed messages that people send out, and they're focusing on different areas. And I think people get confused by that. And I don't think people also understand the rate changes and really what people are paying today.
Yeah, and a lot of people, they just don't understand, like, what can we do? Will solar really help? And I'm telling you that solar does help. I have a contractor friend who a few years back, about 8 years back, I looked at solar for his home and he was paying about $50 a month. And at that time I said, no, solar is probably not a good prospect for you. I talked to him this past weekend. His bill is now up to $200 a month, and we're going to save him $60 a month by going solar.
So in 8 years, his bill went from 50 to 200. I think a lot of people have experienced that. Does his utility usage increase?
His usage did not increase, just the cost of electricity has gone up that much.
And that's what people are facing. And
Yeah.
so most San Diegans today would save considerably by going solar.
Absolutely. Every ratepayer in San Diego can save money by going solar. It just varies by how much they're going to save, by how much they use.
Okay. And when people are looking at solar, I think people a lot of times also don't understand. They think there's some catch. They think there's some
Right.
hidden thing in there, because you're saying that people can save money from month one with solar
Absolutely.
when solar's done the right way.
Okay, so yes, and we have loan programs that people can purchase solar with no money down. They don't start making a payment on the loan until we reduce their electric bill. So they see a cost decrease in their electric bill before they need to pay for solar for the first month. And that first month will have a savings.
So going back to your contractor friend, for example, that savings that he had, $60 a month, was from month one, all in, net, all his payments for the system.
Absolutely.
And everything.
Mm-hmm. When you add up what he's still left to pay in electricity, because you still will have a meter fee that you need to pay, about $11 a month, and then you add in the cost for the loan for solar, he's going to be saving $60 a month.
Now, with people that are having this confusion, you're available for them to go through if they've had other solar quotes from other companies, and you'll go through whatever they have on the table and maybe help make sense out of it.
And people are very smart. They want to have the best deal. They want to get the best materials. They want to use the best contractor. But sometimes they use their own worst enemy. They'll get 8 or 10 estimates on solar, and it gets very confusing unless you know exactly what you're looking for. And a lot of companies will do that. They try to confuse the consumer so that their quote looks better. At Milholland, our consultants will come out and help you explain what you're actually doing. You're purchasing kilowatt hours, so we'll help you break down your quotes into that and help you narrow the choices.
Well, thank you so much, Brian. That's what SunPowered by Milholland is there to do, is to help you figure out what's right for your home, and you can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com, like all of our pros.